believe what we've run into. Cheers!
So we're driving along in Pinehurst, North Carolina, looking for the Aberdeen, Carolina and Western. What are they doing here? Well, we went to their headquarters, which is in Candor, North Carolina, and we were told that they were having some kind of a special event here in Pinehurst today. So here we are. And we're just driving past the golf course that's called Pinehurst Resort, which probably looks like this in the summer, but we were here in the middle of March, so it looked like this. And oh yeah, we're definitely in the right place. We're excited to see Aberdeen, Carolina and Western, engines number 6918, 271, 103, and what's this one? 87. What's engine 87? Or better question, what's engine room 87? What incredible luck! We showed up at 3 in the afternoon just as they were opening the doors at 3 o'clock to the general public. Today was their opening day. So, come on aboard, they said, and we did. The paint scheme of the Aberdeen, Carolina and Western, the fuchsia and mustard color, wow, amazingly eye-catching. It is gorgeous paint, especially in the sun. I don't know the reason why this particular engine was chosen to be chopped up and customized into this now non-functional engine, the locomotive bar. However, I do know how it was transported from Candor at the shops to Pinehurst at the golf course in this video taken by Xavier Hunter in July of 2024. Which brings us back here to Pinehurst. So the sign says that they have beer, wine, and ciders, many of them local. They have 25 taps on 3 rooftop bars. Wow. And it's self-serve. So the sign says this way to check in at the bar. You go to the bar and you set up a tap card. And with this card, you can go to any of the self-serve pour stations. You can select whatever you're interested in and pour as much or as little as you'd like.
And wines, and they're not only here, they're on the other side and on the other side from that.
It sounds like they've got lots of fun events planned. Now, if you prefer to sit somewhere cool, then head on back to the caboose. It's inside, it's air-conditioned, it's shaded. There's a couple of pour stations here, nice seats, and you get a great view. Or head on up the stairs, and you can sit on one of the 3 rooftop bars. Don't worry, there's plenty of taps up here too, lots of choices of drinks. When the sun begins to shine, I hear a song from another time and fade away. Oh, I could live here! Woohoo! So whether you prefer to hang out indoors or catch some sun outdoors, find yourself a cup holder and check out the Aberdeen, Carolina and Western Engine Room 87. Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you'll get to see all the latest videos. Don't forget to push like and share. Thank you so much.
see what they're using as a urinal? Oh my God. That is unbelievable.
I love this.